the stake and the legitimacy is low. If it's not legitimate or the stakes are low, they will ignore it. They will, if stakes are high and the perceived legitimacy is low, then they try to stonewall, cover up, distortions. Because if it's not legitimate but the stakes are very high, they will try to blow up the issue. They will try to cover up the issue, right? If the issue is legitimate and the stake is low, they will change it. If both stakes are high and is legitimate issue, then they try to collaborate with the critics. So these are the 4 possible response. One is denial, means just ignore the issue. Another is protect yourself, stonewall with the cover up. The third is change. If it's legitimate and stake is not too much, it doesn't affect us and the concern is real, we will change our policy, we will change ourselves. But if changing is gonna be affecting us too much but their issue is also legitimate, we try to collaborate. So let us take some example. Do you think of any example? Can you think of any example in one where your organization can claim any issue with you which is not legal, which is not correct, but stake is also not too much? And what are the things that can be at stake? What do you understand by stake? What is the stake? What can be at stake in an organization? What are usually the stakes? No, let's say there is a criticism of your business. What is at stake? What is the risk? What company will lose? Company can lose its brand reputation. Company can lose its customers. Company can lose. The company may have to pay a very high price. Company may have to pay penalties. It can be in money, can be in reputation, can be in employees, can be in relationships, can be the future business, can be the expansion possibilities. So these are the things at stake usually for a company, right? Their money, their resources, their the penalties, brand reputation, right? Employees or customer relationship or supplier relationship. So these are normally the stake. And the legitimacy means what? The claim is real or not real, right? So if let's say somebody is coming to the company and just saying that, oh, the company fired my brother without any reason, and actually you did that, the company actually didn't do it, correct? The company did do a proper investigation into the employee's dismissal. So what is the legitimacy? Is low, right? And if this only one person is claiming against the company, what is the stake? How is it? The stake are high? Not really, because it's just only one person, right? So the stake is low and legitimacy is low. So what a company will do? Ignore, because you don't want to. Whenever you are dealing with the public communication, as we said earlier in our slide, it requires a lot of resources, right? You may need people to create a message, roll out newspaper advertisement, website creation, new page editing, video generation, copywriting. So there's a lot of time and value. So if stakes are low and legitimacy is low, you just ignore the crisis, ignore the issue, right? Now there is a stake is high and perceived legitimacy is low. Means, let's say now the same case, the employee, the brother of the employee who was fired, with legitimate reasons, means no fault of the company. He gather around the peoples, maybe his community, and now they are doing a mass demonstration. So legitimacy is still low because the fire was okay, but stakes are higher. Why stakes are higher? Because he is going on social media, they are creating a hype, finding more people to share. So what the company should do now? Think. What company can do? Stonewall. So how you will stonewall? So you do a cover-up story. If let's say whatever is the story being published by the issuer, by the person who is creating an issue, you need to convey your side of the truth. Correct? You may need to say, okay, these are the investigation, these are the timelines, this is how we fire the people. So you are now trying to explain your situation, your position, or you are trying to distort the message of the other person. So you may involve other peoples from your side who is going to expose the person who is doing the wrong, who is creating an unnecessary issue, right?
And nowadays they invite the journalism. And
Yeah. Yeah, so you also may want to do a press release, you may want to do with the influencers within their community, or you try to buy out the things. So what you are trying to do is, you are not dealing with the issue now, you are just protecting yourself, not doing anything else.
Yes.
Right? Now the third stage is, let's say that firing of employee was correct, not correct. Company did it deliberately. Stakes low means, okay, it's only one person who is going to come and claim. So it's not really big issue yet. The stakes are not very high, but the issue is legitimate. So what you're gonna do? You will change your process, or you will adapt. Okay, come on, we will rectify the problem, right? So you change the issue. If the issue is legitimate, means firing was not, but is escalated to the higher level. Involves, the governments are involved, the legal case is there, the communities are there, the demonstration is there. Now what the company need to do? Now it becomes a crisis, right? So what it need to do is collaborate. How you collaborate? You need to go to talk to the issuer. Okay, how we can help? Maybe we change the policy, we do the adaptation, we explain, and we collaborate with the media who is issuing the case. You may have to do some collaboration, means advertising with them, like a business partnership. And you may also need to deal with the lawyers who are doing the case, right? So these are the collaborations. Listen to their concerns, change the policies, collaborate to fix the issue, right? For give you example, there was one sometime when this traders Shule Shangila was there. Behind that, previously there was street, right?
Yeah.
So the exhaust fans of the smoke was very low.
Yes.
And whenever we cook or do any function, the smoke is out in the street.
Yeah.
So the issue is legitimate from the street, that they are not able to live properly, right? So it's a legitimate issue. But stakes was small when the military was there. There was a restriction of the communication. People were not able to say too much, so they continue to ignore the issue. But when the communication was increasing, the social media was increasing, it was become open. The street, they start demonstrating the case. So stakes become high, because for hotel the reputation is very important.
Yes.
Stakes are also high because it will take a very high cost to construct. So how the company managed it? They change, they make it higher, and also they collaborate with the street. So how they collaborate with the street? They make them friends. They try to invite them over. They try to sponsor the events in the street. They keep it clean. There was some organizations like the religious organizations. We normally give them donations. So we try to manage with them, collaborate with them, right? So not a bribing, but sponsoring, and also try to continue have a talk with them. So even though we didn't really fix the issue, because we just make it slightly higher, so because if we make it, we want to fix it, it will cost tons of money, right? We don't want to do that. So we just fix the issue slightly, change slightly, and then fix the issue by talking to them continuously, so that they don't escalate the issue further.
The telecommunication, the operator, just the Ooredoo. Yes, people are buying them, so they give the main sponsorship.
To who?
Ooredoo.
They give.
Because of the, I don't understand how to say they are.
Tower.
Yeah. So some organizations, because of the
Radiation.
And then they give a lot of the sponsorship.
Yeah. See, that is a issue, right?
Yeah.
That telecom company has a tower which is creating radiation, which is affecting your minds, which is affecting the people's health. So there is a issue. Stakes are high because if they remove the tower, their business will go down, right? And the connectivity will drop significantly, so which will affect their survival. They cannot let it go also because the issue is right. There is a correct sentence that the tower is affecting the people's health, so issue is legitimate. Stakes are also very high because they cannot fix it. So what they do? Collaborate with the people who are raising the issue. So they sponsor them, they try to fix them, maybe they reduce the frequency a little bit at some times, maybe during the daytime or during the night time when there are a lot of people around. So I don't know how they fix it, but that's the way. Normally you try to come down a bit and then sponsor or make relationship with the critics, so that they are not escalating the issues, continue to escalate the issue. So that is normally a part of strategic management. So strategic management and strategic communications go hand in hand. You cannot do the management without communication, and communication without management is also useless, right? So strategic management and communication go together. You make a strategy, communication will help to execute it. How you communicate this with the stakeholders? What are the things that you are doing with the critics? How do you communicate with them? How do you negotiate with them? So negotiations, persuasion is all part of the communications, correct? Okay, then you have issue advocacy.